My name is David Diaz, and I am the project manager for 1101 Brickell. FIU alumnus, I graduated in 2002 with my bachelor's in mass communications, and in 2006 with my master's in architecture.
I'm Claudia Bush. I'm professor of the School of Architecture, and I'm also principal of Baron Bush Architecture. And we are the interior designer and architects of FIU downtown on Brickell.
FIU had a set of parameters for the case rooms, for the seminar rooms, for the breakout rooms. They had a flat room, a computer lab, a dining facility that was very specific to their need and use of the spaces. So we had to work with different elements that were in the building and unknown elements that we never foresaw. So not only designing what you know is there, but designing for potential.
We basically just added sort of a contrast. I think contrast is good in design because it creates a dynamic experience. So like as you see, we have warm material like the wood, and you contrast it with a blue carpet that is sort of more colder color. The same thing when we look at the other interiors where you have very sort of white walls mainly, and then we used accent walls in blue or in yellow to enhance, the space, to activate the space. All the walls that are going north-south are blue, and all the walls that are going east-west are yellow. So to break the length of the wall, we created a series of stripes in FIU colors, gold and blue. This is a multifunctional room that is mainly used during the day for dining, but it also can be used for lectures and presentations and conferences. Then in terms of the presentation wall, we wanted to break, again, similar to the corridors, break up the length of it and created these stripes. And then these stripes, we continued with the floor that they run in the same direction, which gives a sort of dynamic look to the space.
This has been a great experience. This offered me the opportunity to show my professors and fellow students how it could come full circle, how you can actually not only become a student, but you can work with the university and give back in different ways.